In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your QuickBooks time subscription and billing from company settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to review your plan, update payment details, upgrade, cancel a trial or subscription, and check your payment history, all in one place. First, open QuickBooks Time. If you're starting from QuickBooks Online, head to All Apps, select Time, and then choose Launch QuickBooks Time. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage billing. Typically, that means an admin user. If you don't see the Time app, confirm that it's been added to your QuickBooks Online account. Once QuickBooks Time is open, go to Company Settings from the top navigation. This is your hub for key account controls, and it's where you'll make all subscription and billing changes. From there, select Account and Billing. This section gives you a clear snapshot of your current plan, your next charge date, and the payment method on file. It's a good idea to review these details to ensure your plan matches your team's needs and that your card information is up to date to avoid any service interruptions. If you need more features, click Upgrade Your Plan. You'll be able to compare available tiers, pick the one that fits your workflow, and choose between monthly or annual billing if that option is offered. Annual billing may come with savings, while monthly keeps things flexible. When you're ready, confirm your payment details and complete the upgrade. Give the page a moment to refresh so you can verify the new plan is active. If you're on a trial and decide it isn't the right fit, select Cancel your trial within the same account and billing area. For paid plans, choose Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts. You may see information about when your access ends, whether the cancellation takes effect immediately or at the end of your current billing period, and any final charges. Read each screen closely so you understand the timing and what happens to your access after cancellation. Finally, if you want to confirm charges or reconcile your books, use the payment history within Account and Billing to review past payments and charges. This is especially helpful for month-end close or when you need a quick record of recent invoices. And that's how to manage your QuickBooks Time subscription and billing using company settings. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.